Welcome to you all in Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on NCERT syllabus. In the continuation of previous video, I want to draw your attention about the question number 10 under exercise 10.2. Here you have given a vector A is equal to 5 minus 7j plus 2k, which magnitude is mod of vector A is equal to 8, and you have to find out a vector in the direction of this. You have to find out a vector in the direction of vector A having the magnitude 8. Now the unit vector in the direction of A. The unit vector in the direction of vector A. The unit vector in the direction of vector A is equal to I minus j plus 2k, and here under root 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 5i minus j plus 2k upon 5 into 5, 25, 26 and plus 4 under root 30. But the wanted vector has the magnitude 8, hence the wanted vector is equal to 8 into 5i minus j plus 2k upon root 30. We mean 8 5 ja 40, 40 a 8 minus 56j, and now this is 8 2 ja 16k upon root 30. Now we may separate this 40 upon root 30 a minus 56 j upon 30 plus 16 k under root 30. This will be the wanted vector that has the direction same as the vector A is equal to 5a minus j plus 2k and having the magnitude. This is the magnitude of wanted requisite vector, not of this. You may write here R also, because a confusion will be raised here. Here we have committed a mistake. 8 minus 1, this will be minus 8, and here will also be equal to minus 8. Minus 8 j plus here will be 16, right. So in question number 11 under exercise 10.2 we have given two vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and the other vector b is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. We have to prove that these two vectors will be collinear. From the definition of the vector, we have already discussed you and stated you that two vectors are called collinear if they are parallel but different in magnitude. If they are parallel but different in magnitude, we have to prove that these two vectors are parallel but different in magnitude. Now if you write vector b is equal to, here we may take common as minus 2, this will be equal to 2i minus 3j, here will be 3j and here will be plus 4k. Then here you have taken 2 as a common, minus 2 as a common in vector 2, then vector b may be stated as minus 2i minus 3j plus 4k. If you observe the vector under equation number 1, that is vector a, you see clearly this is vector a, minus 2 into vector a from equation 1, from equation number 1. Actually, hence vector v is parallel to vector a, but we see by simple inspection that the magnitude of vector a and b are clearly different. For the sake of convenience, if you take the magnitude of vector a, that is mod of vector a, this will be equal to 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square, and that is 4 plus 9 plus 16. Yeah, this 20 plus 9 under root 29, and that of vector v is equal to under root minus 4 square plus 6 square plus minus 8 square. It will be clearly minus 4 square means 16, and this is 36 and this is 64, and now this is 6, 6, 12 and 4, 6, 10, 16 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 11. Obviously this is under root 116. Hence, from the magnitude point of view, vector A, mod of vector A is not equal to mod of vector B, but they are both parallel. Hence, the vector A and B are collinear. Hence, A and B are collinear. Collinear vector. They are parallel, hence they and different in magnitude, hence they are collinear vector. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, share and subscribe the video.